You really seem to have enjoyed my video on the 6 rules of model airplane collecting, so I thought why not complete the dozen and bring you 6 more rules. In this video I have also taken inspiration from some of your comments, so once again, if you have some more rules I've missed, let me know. Let's get started! If you collect model airplanes, of course you also want to talk about your hobby and experiences, or maybe you have some questions. That's why it's important that you get in touch with other like-minded people. One way is to create an Instagram channel where you post pictures of your model or your beautiful model airport. This is a great way to find other collectors and start a good conversation. After all, that's how I entered the community years ago. Another great way to exchange your thoughts and learn more about the hobby is to join a model airplane forum. My forum of choice is called Model Airliner Forum, or MAF for short. There are many interesting threads on there and a ton of active collectors who share their experiences. If you want to have a chat with me and my community, I've just created a Discord channel that I'll link in the description. On this channel we have interesting discussions about model airplanes, help each other out, and you can even buy or sell your models. I'm also on there a lot and can't wait to help you out with your questions you might have or just chat about model airplanes. It's important to keep track of your collection from early on. It might seem unnecessary at first, but as you grow your collection, it's easy to forget which models you already have and which ones are still missing. Personally, I have an Excel spreadsheet with all my models as well as the registration and manufacturer. You can also keep track of your collection on the Model Airplane database. It's a free website that allows you to add all your collection in a virtual showcase and also search up every model ever created. This way you are always up to date and don't accidentally buy the same model twice. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like. It's a lot of work making these videos and I'd appreciate it a lot. On to the next rule. I'm aware that not everyone can afford to buy multiple models at once, but it's usually the way to go, especially when you order online. Shipping prices have been increasing for a while now, and therefore I'd say it's only reasonable to try and combine shipping costs as much as possible. I think the optimal amount of models to buy at once is 2 to 3. Anything more and I feel like you can't appreciate each individual model as much. I say save up enough money to buy 2 models from the same store and save a bit on shipping. In the first video I suggested to you to mostly buy brand new models instead of second-hand ones if possible. Still, I can only highly recommend you to look through eBay or similar sites. There are many new models being sold, often for a good price. Keep in mind that you should always look at the seller's reviews to see if they are trustworthy before buying from them. There are also very nice second-hand models on eBay that you just can't find new anymore. Once again, if the model is in good condition and the seller has a good reputation, there is no problem buying pre-owned models neither. At some point most collectors will sell some of their models, either because we replace them with better versions or we just need space or money for models we want more. When you sell your models, do it for a reasonable price though. Even if it's a rare model, I don't think it's justified to ask for a ridiculous amount of money. After all, it's still only a model airplane. This hobby should be accessible to as many people as possible, and by asking for higher prices, you keep a lot of collectors from being able to afford them. I would say you should never ask for more than $80 for any 1 to 400 scale model airplane, no matter how rare it might be. Let's be fair to each other and not try to rip anyone off. I'm so sick of seeing models being sold for $200+. That's just stupid. I've seen collectors throw away the boxes of the models way too many times. Personally, I keep every single box and I'll tell you why. Let's say you're moving homes. These models are very delicate and can't just be thrown into a moving box. Therefore, having the correct packaging will ensure that your models will arrive intact at your new place. Another reason is if you're maybe selling your model someday. A model without a box loses a lot of its value and it will be difficult to ship without risking breaking the model. Of course, storing the boxes will take up some space, but it's worth it. Oh, and one more thing. Keep them in a plastic box to protect the boxes from water damage or other things. So, have I missed something? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Swiss400 for more model airplane content and join the new Discord server to get in contact with me and other collectors. And if you're in the mood for another video, I'm sure you'll like one of these. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye, aviators!